In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Shopify store after the trial period is over. Now, you might be wondering why you need to do this. Well, once your trial period has ended, if you decide not to continue with Shopify, it's essential to properly close your store to avoid any unwanted charges. So, let's walk through the steps together to make sure your store is shut down correctly. First, what you'll want to do is navigate to the settings. You'll find this option at the bottom left of your Shopify admin page. It's crucial to locate the right navigation point here, as settings are where we can adjust the fundamental aspects of your store, including its very existence. Once you have clicked on Settings, you'll notice a menu appearing on the left side of your screen. Next, from this left panel, look for the option labeled Plan. This is where Shopify provides an overview of your current plan, whether it's a trial or a paid subscription. Clicking on Plan will reveal details about your current subscription level and any pertinent information regarding your account status. It's an important step in ensuring we're dealing with the correct account and knowing exactly what services you're enlisted for. Understanding your current plan is vital, so you know what you're canceling. Now, with this information at hand, you can go ahead and cancel your trial plan. This is the action that ultimately leads to your Shopify store being deleted. Simply follow the prompts from Shopify to ensure the cancellation process is completed and your plans are terminated. Remember, during these steps, Shopify may request feedback or provide you with additional confirmation dialogues. These are standard procedures and serve to ensure you're making the right decision. By completing the cancellation of your trial, your store will be set for deletion. It's a straightforward process, but one that must be done correctly to avoid further charges or lingering online presences. You don't want to have any loose ends, and closing down properly will ensure a clean exit, and that's all there is to it. With just a few easy steps, you've now deleted your Shopify store post-trial. Remember, it's always crucial to double-check these settings, especially as online services like these do update their interfaces from time to time. It's all about keeping your experience smooth and hassle-free. If you have any lingering questions about Shopify or other e-commerce platforms, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.